afternoon. It is time for our craft for April. And April's craft is going to be making a grasshopper. Now, in your bag, you will have a triangle, one big leg like this, two legs like these, a head that's oval shaped, and antennae that are shaped almost like a sock, but you'll put them on upside down. And then 3 green sticks. Some people refer to these as tongue depressors, but one side is painted dark green and the other is left natural. So what I want you to start out with is, of course, make sure you have either a black pen, a black marker, or any colored crayon, because this is what we're going to use to draw on the face. Then you may use glue, really works the best for this project. But if you don't have like an Elmer's glue or a liquid glue like this, you may use a glue stick. And if you have neither of those, you actually can use Scotch tape. You just have to roll it very tightly. So the first thing I would suggest is you take your green triangle. It's the biggest one. And then you take your 3 green sticks. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your green triangle and you're going to put a dot of glue on the corners of your triangle, and then draw a thin line along the edge of the triangle, like this. So I went along the edges of the triangle, and then you place on your sticks like this. And I will show you really quickly. I had to lay mine down real fast, so it's going to look like this when you get done. Now you may need a little glue on the corners to hold them down a little bit more. So, and you can adjust it so it goes on the far edge. I'm going to adjust mine real quick here so I can show you. You said do them on the outer edge. Okay? Then my suggestion is to take your oval face, the head of your grasshopper, and then we're going to make a mouth for the grasshopper. And you may do it any way you want. I made my mouth like that. And you could do it like this if you want. All right. And then you need to draw 2 eyes. And then I'm coloring mine in a little bit. Like that to make the pupils. And then I'm going to add eyebrows. So that's the head. And what you do with the head is you take it and you glue it to a corner of your triangle. So just like so. And then the next step will be you can glue on your antennae, the ones that look like socks. Put the sock upside down and you glue it on your head like this. And there's 2, so you glue them. You can have them facing the same direction. If you want, you can have them going the opposite way. It's all up to you. So that's how that part looks. Now, This is his hind leg, or her hind leg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bigger portion of the leg, the top part. So this is his or her foot, the leg, and this is kind of like the thigh portion of the leg. And I'm going to place it right there on my grasshopper so you can see it, just like that. Now, because I keep picking mine up, mine's not drying very quickly. So I need these feet. So you just glue a little bit at the top of the foot. Actually, the leg. This is really the foot, the leg. At the very top. And then put it on the bottom of your triangle. Like this. And you can move them the way you want. You can have them facing both the same way. You can have them facing different ways. It's all up to you. This is your grasshopper. So I hope you enjoy your April craft of making a friendly grasshopper. And you can slide it each way you want. Enjoy. So far from home.